Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial today I'm going to be showing you how you can send and receive cryptocurrency without spending a dime, without paying a dime on transaction fees, right? Yeah, so let's jump in right in. But before then, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, if you have seen my channel for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button. I share lots and lots of educative content about cryptocurrency, NFTs, play to earn game, crypto community management, how to make money working in the cryptocurrency and Web3 industry, right? That is a whole lot. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. I have lots of educative content for you. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to click on this more button on your Binance account menu. You can see it here. Click on it. Then you can see send. You click on send. And you can see the details they have here. The second method is to click on this icon here. You can see it. Click on this icon here, then you click on pay. Then you're going to see send, receive, crypto boss, payment history, gift center, settings, live on crypto, Binance Pay. These are some of the platforms you can use Binance Pay to actually pay on, right? Traveler.com and a whole lot of them, right? Yeah, so that is it. So let's get back to the main thing that we came here for, which is the send and receive option. You can see you can even get to win 3 BUSD cashback voucher on their platform if you're able to use it from 11th of August to 30th of September. So you can see they still have like over 1 month time for you to win this BUSD, right? So let's get started. You click on send. You're going to see email, phone, pay ID, and Binance ID. You can see this is your pay ID. This is it here. You can either ask someone to send it for you. Once the person click on Binance Pay, the person is going to see the pay ID or the person's Binance ID, right? So I click on send, or you use the person's email or phone number. Now, always note that you can't use this method to send crypto to someone on KuCoin, Bybit, BitGet, etc. It must be someone who have a Binance verified account, right? So let's go straight into the practical section. So you put the person's email. For instance, if you are using email, you put the amount. Now the interesting thing about this particular feature is that you can send any amount. You can send $5. You can even send one because there is no transaction fee. Yes, that is the interesting thing about this particular feature. So let me just say I want to send 5 USDT. So I click on send, then I click on continue. It's going to show me an option to verify this. So you click on send code, put in the codes that have been sent to your email and your phone number. Click on submit, and the person you are sending this particular token to will receive his or her USDT, whatever coin it is, in her wallet, in her account, right? So that is it. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If there's any question, if there's any video you want me to make on my channel, just let me know in the comment section so that we'll discuss about it, right? So thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.